Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking power and proximity. Make sure both AirPods and the case are charged. Aim for at least 50%, and the device is within 1 to 3 meters. Once done, open the case near your device and watch for the setup animation. If it doesn't appear, press and hold the case button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is on, then forget any old AirPods entries in settings so you start fresh with a clean connection state. Next, you dive into the deeper fixes. First, forget the AirPods entry on your device and toggle Bluetooth off and on. Restart the phone if needed because cache states often block pairing. If that fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the front LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing history. After reset, attempt pairing again. If problems persist, try connecting to another phone or computer to determine whether the issue is with the AirPods or your original device. To finish, confirm your phone or computer has the latest OS updates and that AirPods firmware is current. Updates often fix Bluetooth bugs. Once paired, check Audio Routing and Control Center or sound settings to ensure media and call audio are sent to AirPods. If you still get drops or no audio, repeat the reset and try a different device. If failures persist, suspect hardware, reach out to Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics. One key tip: test with a wired headset to rule out device audio faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.